Something amazing happened yesterday. My channel went from 0 to 10,000 subscribers in 10 months. Now you might be asking yourself, Daniel, tell us how you did it. Well, stick around. I'll show you how. Hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to be part of the conversation. So listen, I know a lot of you are creators out there wondering how you can get your channels to grow on YouTube. And I gotta tell you, it's probably easier than you think, but involves a lot of hard work. And that's something I really want you to embrace, because a lot of times I see people want an easy button, just do this and your channel will grow. And that's just not how it works. A lot of creators want YouTube to work the way they think it works instead of learning how it actually works and then applying themselves towards that goal. Here is YouTube in a nutshell. YouTube wants you to bring people to the platform, get them watching videos, and keep them watching videos. That's your mission. The reason they want you to do that is so that they can serve them ads along the way and make money. That's the entire process in a nutshell. This is the reason why subscribers as a metric doesn't really matter. And I know that sounds weird from a guy who's telling you how to go from 0 to 10,000 subscribers, but it's how you gain those subscribers that means everything. I see creators using sub for sub or doing grow with me strategies that is just basically, you sub to me, I'll sub to you, and somehow that'll make our channel better. YouTube doesn't care about that. They don't care about your subscribers. They care how long you can make people watch videos. I also see a lot of creators trying to get bigger creators to shout them out as if somehow that will change their destiny. Man, you know, it's such a weird thing. My channel started based on doing a collaboration with Brian G. Johnson, which got me one of the biggest shout outs you could get. But that shout out turned into maybe 100, 150 subscribers in the first 36 hours, and then that went away. I know a lot of you might be out there thinking, I'd love to get 100 or 150 subscribers in 36 hours. But the difference is, a video on my channel that performs well can drive 2,000 subscribers and keep driving subscribers as it's out there doing its thing. So if the trade-off is try to get someone to shout you out and grab a few subscribers who may not be interested in your content, or create content that will continue to generate subscribers, the answer is really pretty easy here. The biggest trick is figuring out what kind of content you should be making. I see a lot of people make videos and post them up and just hope that somehow they'll get discovered. The real trick here is trying to find your target audience and what videos they're already looking for. And I know that sounds really kind of vague and hard to determine, but it really isn't. We use things like keyword research to find the topics that people are searching for, and then we try to position our content in between what they're looking for and the answer that they need. Right? So in my case, I was using Filmora to leverage that information. I would use things like TubeBuddy's keyword research tool to find questions that people were already looking for about Filmora, and then I would make a video that would answer that question and try to position it to be found. So I know what my target audience wants, and I make that video that answers the question, and then I work really hard doing things like making a better thumbnail or finding a better title so that that video can get discovered. Because if I do a great job at answering that question and leveraging that information to get them to find me, I have a much better chance of growing my channel. Now, when I talk about a target audience, I see a lot of people make the mistake of confusing their target audience with their community, the people who have already subscribed. You have to understand that you're trying to reach tens of thousands of people, not just the people who have already subscribed to your channel. If you've reached them, that means that your content has already done its thing. And those community members are super valuable. Those are the people that you talk to every day, you have discussions with, people who are loyal to your channel. But one of them might ask a question that's just specific to them and ask you to make a video about something that they want to see, but isn't going to do well with your overall target audience. So you want to make sure that you differentiate the two. I'll get people who will ask me how to insert a Pokemon into a video, which is something they want to do, but I have to figure out if that's something that the larger target audience wants to see, because I want my videos to keep bringing in new subscribers and new viewers. So I might take that suggestion and look up other things that my audience is looking for and see if that can fit into that, like inserting images onto a video or overlaying images onto another track in Filmora. It's twisting it around. If I just made a video about how to put Pokemon into your video, I might limit myself because someone goes, I don't care about Pokemon. I don't want to do that. But they may want to learn about how to overlay images. And that's where you're looking to find the things that your entire target audience is already looking for in order to make those videos. Another thing is you have to resist making videos just because you can. I've seen channels that make videos about beauty and vlogging and diet plans and exercise, and it's so many things that someone who tunes in for one video may not be interested in the next video. Someone might tune in to learn about a keto diet plan, but they may not be interested in a vegan diet plan. So you have to be really specific in the kinds of videos you make and the audience you're trying to reach so that people keep coming back and watching videos and engaging with you as a creator. Because if you can get someone to come and watch one video and then a second video and maybe even a third video, that creates that binge watch session that will turn that new viewer into a subscriber. This is what we call leveraging the information, right? You take the thing that that person is looking for and use it to get them invested in you. Because you're the person who's answering their questions in the most effective manner that you possibly can. The biggest trick here is doing that consistently, making videos that reach that target audience over and over and over again so that people keep coming back and going, man, I love your channel because it gives me the thing I was looking for. And that's it in a nutshell. Put the audience first. Don't make it about you. I see so many creators who are making videos that they think the audience wants to see instead of figuring out exactly what the audience does want to see and making those videos. If you're a gaming channel and you keep just putting up gameplay, where's the value? But if your channel puts up a video that shows someone how to get their very first win in Fortnite using the strategies that you used, that will attract them to your channel and get them watching more videos because you have something to offer. You have something that they want to know that you can give to them. The better the video, the stronger the thumbnail, the stronger the title, and the better you deliver the information, the better chance that the target audience that you haven't reached yet, the people who have no idea who you are going to find your video and become invested in you. Your watch time will increase, your subscriber count will increase, and your channel will be recommended more by YouTube because it's doing the very thing that YouTube wants, making people watch longer. That's all I did here. There is no magic secret. There was no easy button that I pushed that suddenly made my channel grow. It was hard work, consistent work, focused within a single path on a single target audience that I stayed consistent to. I have to say a very special thanks to this guy right here, Mr. Brian G. Johnson, for helping me get this channel to where it is with his patience, his guidance, his friendship, and his insights. If you have any specific questions about how you can get your channel to grow faster, join me down in the comments section and let me know what kind of things you think might be holding you back, and I'll do my best to answer them for you. Thank you for helping me get here. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the comments section below. Peace.